All right, so it's day 4 of the morning of, and all the guys are around the Bronco working fast. All under the hood, doing fuel injection, wiring, cooling system. We got to get it up on the lift, get the exhaust going, drive shafts in. We've got a big day ahead of us, so let's get going.
So these ones over here are probably one of the ones to go to the starter then.
Okay, I'm good with that.
So here's the diagram right here. I'm gonna.
Is this for the starter?
Yeah.
Is this the paintless?
So, yeah, it's the paintless.
Is this the paintless?
This is just a better view, overview of what I think we're looking for.
Because you got enough here, we can go to the inside and deposit.
Okay.
Deposit that close to the body.
Engine, temperature, oil pressure, it's all getting picked up by Dakota Digital and EFI computer. So this is for the old stuff. So we've seen bye-bye. Right, I was about to say it. Bye-bye. Oh my God, I just caught something I wasn't supposed to.
Oh no.
Okay.
Putting on the thermostat housing, and I'm forgetting the thermostat. So yeah, order of operations. The body's in motion, but the brain ain't engaged.
Well, I mean, it's what it says right here.
6, 2, 4,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're not odd and even like everything else.
You gotta be kidding me.
According to that. I'm just reading off your picture.
Yeah.
Right
Oh, that's the other thing. Wait, that's not 3, because that's 2. Work it.
Oh, you're gonna put it there?
I already did. Hazel approved.
I said, I guess. I don't know what Jason's gonna say.
Yes. Now we almost have brakes.
Almost. These kids up there don't know how to adjust drum brakes.
I don't know what drum brakes are.
Yeah. Putting 100 miles on backwards.
Okay, so we're putting on the LMC bumper, attaching it to the frame, and pretty straightforward, simple.
I just like to drill holes, so you know, I figure I put a couple over here, maybe one on the windshield. No, we're just gonna drill a hole, mount the transmission shifter, then figure out where we want to put the transfer case shifter. Probably over here since there's already a hole. But yeah, there's nothing like punching through a brand new body. Makes me a little nervous.
Out of the way, out of the way.
Christian, how's that coming?
It's getting there.
What's that mean, like time-wise?
I don't know, 2 hours, 3?
3 hours? Are you talking 3 hours until everybody's done with the car and ready to drive it?
No, no, no.
You're talking 3 hours for what you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me go get my little daughter. Like that?
Good.
Yeah, these look best from the back.
This was the one job I didn't want to get. I was kind of hoping someone else would hop in and say, I love putting transmission shifters in.
Yeah, do. Just hooking up some throttle cables, do. Without this little magic cable, you will not go anywhere in life. So just make sure you cut carefully. Make sure the pedal's all the way up. Most of all,
That song sucks too.
just have fun in life. And there it is again.
The negativity.
Nothing but negativity. I'm up here enjoying myself,
And
trying to put a throttle cable on peacefully, and then I got a ass downstairs who just keeps with me.
Alright, who needs the kid sweater?
We need some order in this court.
Yeah, there's reverse. There's neutral. There's drive.
So we're not using that.
No, and we're not
Yeah.
using it of the MSD to trigger the ignition. No,
Okay.
we're not having to trigger the ignition.
All right,
It's all
'cause
coming off the fuel injection as
the
far as
only
I know.
How's the throttle working?
Oh, that's how you say later?
All right, left me hanging, huh?
Looks like it's good.
He left you hanging.
So I've cut a little piece out to go up here on top of the tunnel, just kind of a decorative piece to kind of hide this hole, and it'll sit under here, and we'll put the boot in there, just something to clean this little area up. This is a factory hole. We're not using it, so we need something covered up, so we might as well just make a hole plate that goes on top. I'll either brush finish this or paint it black and put a texture on it.
Yeah, that's exactly the idea, that little metal ring that low card gives you.
So this is a good size to use in.
That is.
Well, then I'm gonna use it.
One might say it's optimal. One might. I wouldn't, but one might.
This is dangerous. I can already tell I'm gonna get hurt. Am I gonna get hurt? I don't care. I wish it was, oh, it's long, it might be long enough. We might be all right. Let me raise this table.
Jesus Christ!
I told you, I said, you asked me if you're gonna get hurt, and I said, I don't know, maybe. It won't hurt me now. It's not too true. The table's not true, and I don't feel like leveling it out. So now I gotta stick a piece of wood under here so I don't hole saw through my drill press table. Well, so much for brush finishing it now that it's all scratched up. So we'll for sure paint it black and put a texture on it to match the rest of the car. Just like that.
Not too bad, guy.
All right, let's just file it down, clean it up, and then we'll give it to him.
Keep rolling, rolling, rolling.
What the hell?
Oh, man, I put too much paint on it.
Yeah, we could just wait for the paint to dry.
No, we don't want to do that.
Yeah, why would we do that? That's a lot better than how I had it.
How many
with all
people
the
do you think will
holes.
touch it before it dries out?
Everybody. Everybody. We're not signing this rig. Everyone put their thumbprint on the wet paint. Take that whole quart. Hold that funnel for me.
Like on black. I need to go forward just a hair. I'm good now.
Okay, back.
Back.
Okay, I'm ready. Doesn't help that we've got two Christians over here.
All right, Christian and Christian.
Okay, I'm on.
We got that bumper. Oh, where's the hardware for the shifter? Probably up in the.
So it is the end of day 4, and the guys have made some real headway. They're still doing a couple things underneath. I haven't gotten to the exhaust yet. I'll get there tomorrow. But like I said, top of the car's pretty much wrapped up. It actually looks like a functioning Bronco at this point. They're just checking for some leaks, bleeding some brakes, and just wrapping up a few things for the night. We're gonna get out of here, get some dinner, and get back at it tomorrow morning so we can get that burnout done tomorrow night.